Welcome back, babes, and welcome to my official empty apartment tour. So, this is the front entrance, and then we have a little small coat closet, and then the first room is the master bedroom, which is my room, which is absolutely perfect for me. And then my walk in closet, the window, and then we're walking into the master bathroom, which I love everything about my bathroom from the shower head to the backsplash. And then we have the toilet and then our cabinets. We're just waiting on them to put our cabinet doors on. They ordered the wrong size, but I'll insert a picture for you guys. So this is the light fixture, the mirror, and the sink area, which is my favorite. I love the granite countertop, the granite marble countertops, and the black fixture. And I also have a ceiling fan, and the living room has a ceiling fan as well. And I have my hand right here, y'all, because my apartment complex gave me a bottle of wine and two wine glasses, but it has their logo on it, so that's why I'm covering it up. But y'all, my kitchen is my absolute favorite part of my entire apartment. This is what sold me on this apartment is my freaking kitchen. So freaking luxury. But anyways, the granite countertops, granite marble countertops, and then the big form sink. Y'all, I've always wanted one of these. And also, I have the pull down faucet, which I also have always wanted one of those. And I absolutely see what the height was when it came down to this pull down faucet sink. It comes in handy, y'all. Like, you can clean the whole, like, pull it down and, like, clean the whole sink out or whatever. And also, it has two little buttons on the back of it where you can adjust, like, the settings. And then that's my dishwasher. And then all of my bottom cabinets are gray with the black fixtures. Y'all, look at my freaking stove. It's super luxury and high maintenance. Like, I've never had one of those. Luxury vibes. And they gave me a lot of little knickknacks around the apartment, which y'all will see. But anyways, like I was saying, the bottom cabinets are all gray and then the top are white. And then my built-in microwave. And then my refrigerator, which all of my appliances are new. And then my white backsplash. And don't judge my refrigerator, y'all. I was just showing y'all that it was brand new. And this is my pantry. It's a little small, but it's doable. And then this is our laundry room. And both my washer and dryer are both brand new. And like I told you, we have a lot of little knickknacks. So they gave us some little Tide Pods and then some unstoppable beads. And then some little Bounty dryer sheets. Love my kitchen. Another little peekaboo of the kitchen. And then another peekaboo of the living area. And then this room is my oldest daughter room, which they didn't put her a light or a ceiling fan in her room. Which they told me they were going to come back and put her one in. So, yeah. And this is her walk-in closets. big window. And then we are walking into the main bathroom. And their bathroom is exactly like mine, but a little bigger. Light fixtures, mirror, and their sink area. And then their cabinet is just like mine. They ordered the wrong size, so we're just waiting on them to put it on. And then their toilet and their tub, backsplash, shower head, everything is exactly like mine. And then all the little black fixtures around the house. And then this last bedroom in the house belongs to the twins, which is bigger than my oldest daughter room. And they also have a ceiling fan just like I do in the living room. Their big window, and then their closet is on the smaller side, but it's durable for them. And I just love those fans, y'all. They're so upgraded and super, super nice. But yes, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all all in my next video. Bye.
Please forgive me. I know that I'm stingy. 'Cause baby, I'm caring about you.